In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a phase project with dependencies in list view. We're going to create a simple project structure that's easy to manage and even easier to follow as work moves from one phase to the next. This is especially useful when you want to make sure your team completes foundational work first before moving on to execution or launch activities. Start by creating a new project in list view. List view is ideal for this kind of setup because it gives you a clean, organized layout where you can clearly see sections, tasks, and task relationships in one place. Once your new project is opened, you'll have a blank workspace ready to organize. Next, add section headers to represent the major phases of your project. For example, you might create sections called Phase 1, Discovery, Phase 2, Execution, and Phase 3, Launch. These section headers act like containers that help group related work together. This makes your project easier to scan visually, and it also helps everyone understand the order in which work is expected to happen. After your phase sections are in place, begin adding tasks inside each phase section. Under Discovery, you might include early planning or research tasks. Under Execution, add the tasks related to building, producing, or carrying out the work. Then under Launch, place the final rollout or completion tasks. The key here is to make sure each task lives in the correct phase so the structure reflects the real flow of your project. Taking a moment to organize this properly at the beginning can save a lot of confusion later. Once your tasks are added, apply task dependencies so that tasks in Phase 2 remain blocked until the required tasks in Phase 1 are marked complete. This is what turns your task list into a real workflow. Dependencies help prevent work from starting too early and make expectations much clearer for everyone involved. When a task is blocked by another task, the sequence becomes more intentional and easier to manage. As you set those dependencies, be sure the Phase 2 tasks are linked to the appropriate prerequisite tasks in Phase 1. That way, the second phase won't move forward until the necessary groundwork is finished. This creates a more reliable project timeline and reduces the chances of missed steps or rework. With that, your phased project setup is complete. You now have a structured list view project with clear sections, organized tasks, and dependencies that enforce the right order of work. It's a simple setup, but it can make a big difference in keeping projects on track and moving smoothly from discovery to execution to launch.